Well, hello. My name is Dr. KNOTREAL, and here I am today coming to you from my hometown of Paris in France. Now, we are going today to do a little experiment where we practice mostly quantitative observations, the kind with numbers, quantitative observations. Stand by. So the setup today is something like this. You're going to take a petri dish and put it down, and then this is a graduated cylinder and it measures the volume of something. So I'm going to fill it with some water. It's color red to make it look pretty. I like my hometown of Paris, you know, it's a very beautiful city. I put some water in here and measure the amount, and I will see about how much it fills. I'll leave a little bit of space at the top. And then for my quantitative observations, I could take and measure how much liquid was in here. If I did not completely use it, I might subtract a star from the end. And then you are going to take a birthday candle. A birthday candle that has a hex nut on it. It looks like this, and put it right here. So now in the moment you are going to get a flask. It looks like this, you see, and you're going to place it upside down like this, and then eventually you will light the candle, but not right now. You're first going to make some observations. You will draw a picture of what this looks like, label everything, and then the goal is to write as many quantitative observations as you can off of the picture that you drew. So for example, you could, for example, take a balance, digital balance, and you could take the mass in grams of some of the items. So you could very carefully take the mass of the entire thing, for example, or you could take just the mass of the flask, or just the mass of the candle and the hex nut, like this, you see. And you will write those things down in the observations across from your diagram. So I'm going to give you a little time for that, and then we are going to come back and I will show you how to light the candle and do l'experiment. So, thank you very much. Don't forget, you can also measure with a ruler for things like maybe the height of this, the diameter across here, the height of the candle, the height of the wick. Ooh la la, the height of the wick. So feel free. The more you have, the better, because this lab, you see, is to practice quantitative observations. Thank you very much. I will be back in a moment to show you how to light the candle. Welcome to part 2 of this series. So now that you have got your observations, now we are going to light the candle. I will show you what to do. So we take this out very carefully. Try not to get the wick too wet. What we will do, and you might want to take the mass before you do this. So maybe you turn it on and you take the mass, zero it out, put everything on, take the mass, and then maybe what you do is you light the candle. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. You see what I mean? Now, I don't know what that means in Paris. So, let it burn for a minute. And then what you are going to do is you are going to take the flask and you are going to put it over the candle and into the liquid like it was before. You don't have to move super fast, but you don't want to go super slow either. And then you are going to watch what happens, okay? So I'm going to blow the candle out because I don't want to show you the effect. Don't forget, if you have long hair, your beautiful long hair, you need to have it tied back. Here we go. Apparently I am getting old. So much better. So, pretend that the candle is going, and then what you will do is it is burning. You will carefully put this over like that and let it go. Let this like that. And you will watch what happens, and you will write down your observations, and eventually you will make an inference. So, you might have noticed if you kept this on, you might also notice if the mass has changed, because that is a quantitative observation you could write. All right, my friends, welcome to my hometown of Perry. I hope you have a good time while you are traveling with me, and I will be talking to you soon. All right, ciao for now. Oh, I almost forgot my coffee. Oh, it's beautiful. Excuse me. Oh, in Paris, the espresso is beautiful.